2019 Dodge Challenger Redeye Hellcat. A beast of a car. Absolutely massive motor, supercharger. And what we got done on it for you boys and girls today is what you guys hate. High flow cats there and there, so he can pass emissions and have back pressure, because that's what everybody's been telling them. So there they are. He had these downpipes. They're called AFC power downpipes, and we cut it and put 2 high flow cats on it, and then it continues 3-inch with an X pipe factory. Then they did a mid muffler delete 3-inch. Still got the active exhaust valves there and there. And then somebody else did all the rest of this work. They did a rear muffler delete or rear resonator delete there and there. And then they put blue flame tips, quad tips there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And that's how you put high flow cats on them. And we'll put a link in the description for the high flow cats. They're MagnaFlows. 51236. 51236 is the part number on them. Right there. There'll be a link in the description for those catalytic converters. They're California emissions converters. So they should take the check engine light out too if you have any issues. And it's got SHORTY headers on it. I don't know what brand, probably the same brand as the downpipe AFC power, I guess. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Peaked at 116. And it's in eco mode. I'm gonna have to switch it to sport mode and we'll let you guys hear it again. Right now it's in eco mode. Hellcat Redeye. Let you guys hear on the inside. Tell me that's not a beast of a motor, guys. Look at this beast. It's got an AFE, also power cold air induction system. Beautiful engine. And it's my favorite color, if you guys don't know by now. Tell us what you guys think in the comments about this beautiful, beautiful car. He's clearing the light because they had a check engine light because they didn't have cats. So it's doing its job. Just a beast of a car. Oh, hammy, hammy, hammy. Redeye. I hope you guys like these videos. We sure do. We really enjoy doing them for you guys. Please hit that like button if you guys do. And if you ain't subscribed, subscribe. We'll have the customer drive it off for you guys. Beast.